Welcome to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you again for tuning in to another episode to Bri on TV, where I am your host, Bri baby. So today I am in collaboration with a company called Vanity and I will be unboxing, as you can see, a skincare fridge. For those of y'all who are new to my channel, I definitely want to welcome y'all with open arms. I never really mentioned this, but definitely subscribe to my channel if you're interested in the content that I put out. You can check out my vlogMAS playlist because I am trying to consistently post for 25 days straight, child. This is hard and it takes discipline and dedication. I just want to let y'all know that. Let's get to the unboxing. It's the logo for me. Oh my god, this hot girl is sexy. Oh my god. So it's called, the exact name of this skincare fridge that I am unboxing from the company Vanity Planet. It's called the Fria skincare fridge. It's in the color rose gold. It also comes in a white color as well. It helps preserve skincare products, so that's a perk of the skincare fridge. Makes treatments even more soothing. Cools to 15 to 25 Celsius below ambient temperature. Perfect for storing serums, moisturizers, face masks, sheet masks, eye patches, aloe vera, face mist, face towels, face rollers, and more. I definitely will be putting a lot of these products into my skincare fridge, and that also will be showcased throughout this video. Make your go-to skincare products last longer and perform even better with our compact and portable Fria skincare fridge, featuring completely customizable shelves. Our cooler, shelves right here. Our cooler was specially designed to provide the perfect climate and temperature for products while maintaining pristine hygiene. You can customize the spacing of the shelves that they give you with 2 removable shelves, room with a view. Clear window displays all of your products. Now, child, let's go back to the front. Now, that's something that I did just want to throw out there. There are a lot of different skincare fridges in the beauty community, but it was the Fria skincare fridge that did it for me. Like the clear window along with the VP and like a cute, you know, like sexy Luxe font, and then just the way that you like open the door to the skincare fridge. Just look at how cute this like picture is. Like who don't want to go and grab a clay mask to go put on their face from something so beautiful? Because one thing about it, 2 things for sure, 3 things we ain't gonna never let go is Brianna gonna do her skincare routine. I have acne. I'm not proud to have acne, but at the end of the day, acne does not define Bri on TV. But at the end of the day, I do want to work on my acne. I want to try out different methods because in the past, I did try out a dermatologist and I just kind of felt like it was a waste of money. But looking at myself in the mirror, I just really can see more so of hyperpigmentation and a lot of dark marks. So recently I just had this pimple here, and of course, I mean, why would I lie to y'all? I popped it and it has left a horrible scar. I do just kind of look at it as a perk to have of storing my, like, you know, products that I use, whether it's tea tree oils on my face that I want to keep cold, or my clay mask, or my turmeric mask, you know, just things of that nature. Going to get my cold, you know, towel to then, you know, Y'all see the vision. Looking at the top portion of the skincare fridge, it comes with a handle just so that way you can, you know, hold and, you know, just move the skincare fridge at your own leisure. And the way that you would open the door is by pushing outward, and then that's how the skincare fridge door opens. And let's see, I think it actually makes a noise when it clicks. Let's see. Yeah, so it makes like a click sound when it closes, so that's how you can verify and confirm that you have closed the skincare fridge. So we have the cord, 2 shelves. Why the skincare fridge wasn't closing properly. That's because I was putting in the shelves the wrong way. So as you can see, you have like the straight end, and then you have kind of like the curved end. So you actually place the curved end to go to the back versus the straight end. So So it's a thermoelectric cooler with the power rating, the item number, and it is made in your home, girl, Chinatown. So QC pass, I really don't know what that means. Like, does that mean like quality control, like approved it or something? I don't know. Y'all know I like to inspect all of my products, so just give me a second to inspect everything to let y'all know what's really tea. So it says for directions, before using the Fria skincare fridge, make sure you connect the power cord to the AC socket and then to the outlet. Okay. My skincare fridge will be making its home right here in my bedroom Vanity Planet dresser, because my bathroom is not big enough to fit the skincare fridge. Currently it's on stop, and I'm about to switch it to cool, which basically turns it on. The light did light up green, which confirms that, you know, my hot girl is working. In the user manual guide, it lets you know that the Fria skincare fridge has a 1-year warranty. If the skincare fridge, which is just so happen, stop working, not getting cool, things of that nature, like actual malfunctioning issues, then basically Vanity Planet is letting you know that they will replace your skincare for free. When I do like my skincare routine, or if I'm like, you know, just putting like a clay mask on and things of that nature, I like to sit down and enjoy myself. So a glass of wine, probably smoke some hookah. So the fact that I have, yes, I don't know if some of y'all kind of got confused, but I have 2 vanities inside of my apartment. I told y'all Brie on TV is extra. So this vanity actually is never put to use. So the fact that my new Vanity Planet skincare fridge has found its new home on my vanity inside of my room, that just, you know, makes me happy, because now, you know, my vanity is kind of like being put to use or whatever. So I'm just gonna organize this area to make it kind of like cute and fun, because now that, you know, it has like a newcomer, you know, everybody needs to kind of like play its part, and I need to rearrange a lot of stuff. So I don't know if y'all can hear that, but basically the Vanity Planet skincare fridge does make a noise that basically, you know, lets you know that it's cooling, just like your AC makes a noise when the AC is turned on. It's not loud, so that's why if you're not able to hear it, then that's probably the reason why, is because it's not loud enough to be picked up from far away sounds. So with my bed being right behind me, I'm pretty sure I won't be able to hear the skincare fridge you know, running throughout the nighttime. 30 to 45 minutes since I've been letting the skincare fridge get cool. Now I'm going to take majority of the items that I feel like would be perfect for the skincare fridge, and that way y'all, you know, can see what I'm going to be putting in my skincare fridge. So this is like a 2-in-1 video. So these are all of the products that I am attempting to put in my skincare fridge. I know that not everything will be able to fit in here. More than likely, I'll probably end up removing the bottom shelf. So we're finna see what can fit and what makes the cut. My Jade Roller and my serums. I think that that will go well. I think this will make the most sense to go at the top of the skincare fridge. A Jade Roller, for anybody who isn't familiar with Jade Rollers, basically I will apply the serum, and then this basically kind of helps me apply the serum directly on my face without having to touch it. So next, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and remove the bottom shelf and see if my clay body scrub will fit. It's so big. So I'm gonna start off with one of each mask that I have that are packaged, and I'm gonna just put them in there just so that way I can see once I put them to use, like if it's worth keeping them cold. I just folded the mask so that way, you know, it can fit and leave more room. I cannot fit both of my masks, my honey mask, so one has to go. So I ended up purchasing this from probably like TJ Maxx or Burlington or some type of department store. I bought it because it was cute, I ain't gonna lie. I've never used it, but since I have this skincare fridge, I do want to put everything that I'm putting in here to use. So this brings me to the end of today's content video, which is me unboxing my Vanity Planet Fria skincare fridge in the color rose gold. I just basically wanted to give y'all all of the details, so if you yourself felt like you wanted to get a skincare fridge just to store your skincare products and things of that nature. I feel like people who like suffer from acne, or either people who have really clear skin, whether you have a skincare fridge or not, it's really not going to dictate that about your face. I think it would just be so much sexier if Vanity Planet decided to light up the VP logo, or either, you know, have these 3 little circles light up. Like, I think that would just give it that extra pop to the skincare fridge. Share this video with any of your homegirls, or if you're a guy watching, this would be a good I want to say like holiday gift that you can, you know, give to somebody. This skincare fridge I purchased less than $100, so to me it's not pricey, but I definitely think any female would appreciate you giving her or gifting her rose gold, cute, and Luxe Vanity skincare fridge. Like I mentioned, I am participating in vlogMAS, so you will see video after video after video after video.